Hey everybody, this is Diliana from Acer and I'm here to show you our Acer eKinekt. This is a smart bike desk that uses the energy of your paddling to charge your device. The eKinekt lets you exercise as you work, meaning you can save money on fitness equipment, impress your co-workers and get in shape while going green. Here's how it works. As you pedal, the eKinekt converts your kinetic energy into electrical charge. 1 hour of constant cycling at 60 RPM can generate up to 75 watts of power. This charges your laptop and other devices so you can get work done and stay active at the same time. Let's take a closer look at the eKinekt's main highlights. The desk features 3 USB ports in case you need to bring your tablet to work on top of your phone and laptop. You can place your laptop flat on the desk or prop it up, making it easy to use your devices while sitting in any posture. Here is a back hook and the beverage holder for maximum convenience. Also, you can check your speeds, distance, desk height, bike resistance and power generated on the information display right here. Check it out, here is eKinekt in action. Once you take a seat, simply move the desk surface horizontally to shift between working mode and sports mode. In working mode, the desk surface sits closer to the chair to let you sit up straight while typing and paddling. In sports mode, the desk surface sits further forward, giving you the room to lean in like on a standard bike or bike trainer. That way, you can use your downtime in your workday to focus on intense exercise. If you need to answer an email or get a task done, you can seamlessly return to your working mode by moving the desk surface back into place. Use the eKinekt's companion app to check your time, distance and speed, plus how many calories you've burned and how many watts of power you've generated. You don't have to choose between your job and an active lifestyle. Hop on Acer eKinekt and energize your workday now.